Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a to the power of 4 minus 16 divided by a minus 2 is equals to a cubed, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So here we need to find all the roots of this equation. So the very first thing we are going to do is first we rewrite this equation as this is a to the power of 4, and here we write this term as a square and its whole square. We know that when you have exponent to the exponent, these two exponents are multiplied by each other and we again get this 4 minus we write this 16 as 4 square, and it is divided by a minus 2 is equals to a cubed. So further in the next step, we use the nice algebraic formula to the numerator of the left hand side. You know about that if we have x square minus y square equals to x minus y times of x plus y. You see here the base of this term is our x and the base of this term is our y. And when we apply this nice formula to the left hand side, it will be written as this will becomes here x minus y. This is the first factor. Here our x is a square and y is 4, and again we have a square plus 4, and it is divided by a minus 2 is equals to a cubed. So further we again use this nice formula to this term only. So this is our 4, and we know about that this 4 is equals to 2 square. So again we apply here this formula on the first factor only, and we write a square minus 4 or a square minus 2 square as in this form. So this will becomes a minus 2 times of a plus 2 into here we have a square plus 4 divided by a minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to a cubed. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is a minus 2, this is a minus 2 are cancelled out by each other. After cancellation of these two factors, we get the remaining values are a plus 2 times of a square plus 4 is equals to a cubed. And now further in the next step, we need to multiply both of these two factors. So that first we multiply a with a square. We know that a multiplied by a square becomes a cubed, and when we multiply a square with 4, it will becomes here 4a, and now we multiply 2 with a square becomes 2 times of a square, and when we multiply 2 with 4 becomes 8. And now you see here this is a cubed lies into the right hand side. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes minus a cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. This is minus a cubed, this is plus a cubed are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are this is 2 times of a square plus 4a plus 8 equals to 0. You see that each of these terms is divisible by 2, so we divide each of these terms by 2 on both of the sides, and when we divide by 2 it will become 0 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, 4a divided by 2, and 2a square is also divided by 2. These 2 and these 2 are gone, and we obtain a square plus this 2 and this 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get 2a plus this is 2 times 4 becomes 8, and we get plus 4 equals to 0 divided by 2 becomes 0. So finally we obtain the given equation will becomes quadratic equation with variable a. So here we apply the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. For this we first write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 2, and c equals to 4. And we state the quadratic formula as a equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b, and c in this formula. So when you substitute these values here, it will becomes minus 2 plus minus square root of b square b is 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 4, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. And now in the next step we have a is equals to minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square, and 2 square becomes 4 minus 4 times of 4 divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now here in the next step we have a is equals to minus 2 plus minus, here we need to take common 4 inside the square root sign, and we get the remaining values are 4 times of 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. And further in the next step we apply the square root separately on both of these two values, and further we break this fraction and it will becomes minus 2 over 2 plus minus. We know that square root of 4 becomes 2 times of this is 1 minus 4 square root, and 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3 divided by 2. These two and these two are gone, and we get here our a is equals to minus 1 plus minus. These two and two are gone, and further you see here when negative sign appears inside the square root it will becomes iota, and we get here square root of 3 times of iota. These are the two complex roots of the given equation which we get here in this method, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.